Welcome to Bootstrap 101, where we learn Bootstrap 5. In this course, we're actually going to be learning two things. We're going to be learning Bootstrap 5, and we're going to be learning how to read through documentation. And this is really, really important for every developer. You need to know how to read through documentation. So if you ever have any questions about a project you're working on using a particular library, such as Bootstrap or Bootstrap 5, you're going to want to know how to navigate the documentation and how to read through it. And we're going to learn both of these things, both Bootstrap 5 and reading through documentation. So you're going to be getting two skills in one in this course. Now in this course, we're going to be going through all sorts of different utility helpers. We're going to actually go through every single utility helper. Then we're going to get into layouts, such as containers, grids, columns, rows, and how to make everything responsive using Bootstrap. Last but not least, your final project is going to be having fun with components. For instance, being able to take a modal and launching it, having some fun with that, or adding a carousel so you can slide images left and right. And then as your final project for this module or this course is to basically make a page that looks just like this using all the generic Bootstrap components. So you're going to have some fun making a nav bar, a hero section, little info section, a bunch of cards, and a footer. You're going to use everything you learned in this course to make a really good looking page. My name is Caleb Tulling, and I have been writing Bootstrap since Bootstrap 3 was out. In this course, we're going to be using Bootstrap 5. It is the newest version of Bootstrap. I've been making websites look amazing since the early 2000s. I've been at this for over 2 decades now. I have taught literally hundreds of thousands of developers how to make nice looking websites. Now, to get the most out of this particular course, you're going to need to know a little bit of front-end code. So you're going to want to be familiar with CSS, and you probably want to be familiar with JavaScript a little bit as well. Not too much, but just a little bit. Bootstrap is used on a lot of different websites. So if you are looking to get into web development as a full-time career, you're going to want to know how to use Bootstrap. We're learning the most up-to-date version of Bootstrap, so you're going to be up to date when you start applying for jobs as well. So if you want to learn how to make really nice looking websites with very minimal work, you are going to want to take this course. Thank you for checking out Bootstrap 101, and I hope to see you inside.